Let's talk about the PARASIL. PARASIL is a hydrophobic liner, easy to clean, easy to wash, easy to use within water activities. It's available both in a locking and a cushion liner, and also embedded with a matrix and mineral oil for those skin sensitivity issues. The inside and the outside has a Parylene coating, which makes it easy to step into the socket and easy to roll on the skin without having friction against those bony prominences that might be uncomfortable when we have friction. Inside the liner, we have donning and doffing strips so that when you use your hands to roll it, it's stickier in those sections. While we have it inverted, let me show you the proper way to don the liner. We want to completely invert the liner so we don't have air. Invert it all the way, and then with the residual limb, completely engage the distal end and use the donning and doffing strips to roll it on the limb. If you have those patients who like to be in the water, maybe have hygiene issues, maybe have some skin sensitivity, give this PARASIL liner a try and let us know how you feel. Thanks.